Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to use dark mode on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how to use dark mode on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can use dark mode on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account and then you'll be directed into your Instagram homepage. From here, select your Instagram profile at the lower right corner of the screen. And then from your profile page, simply tap on the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select the settings and privacy. From here, you have to scroll down and you will see here the accessibility. Tap on the accessibility. And from here, you'll see the dark mode. Simply tap on this dark mode and simply tap on the circle beside the on button. And as you can see, you are now using the dark mode on Instagram. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can use dark mode on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can use dark mode on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.